in the pines, where the sun never shines, and we shiver when the cold wind blows. I know you want more.
We saw rice-a-roni. With eggs.
Now I'm going to leave now.
Okay. See you, Jim.
So I'll be over here if you need me.
Yes, and you be a good boy at the other.
Yeah.
You tell
Today on Cooking with the In-Law, we have guest cooks. We have Carmella and we have Kim, and today they're going to do homemade egg rolls. See?
Okay, over here in the big kettle is a large head of cabbage, 1 carrot shaved, 1 large onion chopped up finely, and 2 tablespoons of salt and pepper. Okay, and then we're browning ground beef to make with our rice-a-roni. Now, after the ground beef gets done, we will follow the directions on the rice-a-roni and combine it with the drained ground beef. Browned and drained the ground beef. We're ready to put the rice-a-roni in it. So Kim, could you get me 2½ twice, which is 5 cups of water. And while she's getting the water, I will pour the rice-a-roni mixture into the pan. Voila, right in the hamburger. Okay? Then we open up the little packages. And try real hard to open up these packages. And we pour them in there. Okay, she's pouring in 5 cups of water, and she'll mix it all together, turn it on medium-high, and put a lid on it and cook it, I'd say 20 minutes.
After you drain your cabbages, and that's what it's going to look like.
You drain it very well.
Yes. And you may have to add some more salt and pepper just to taste what you like.
And now we're waiting on the rice-a-roni to get done, and it should be just about done in 5 minutes. Okay, a tablespoon of mixture at the end of the egg roll wrapper. Fold it up like a diaper, middle, right, left, roll it, and brush it. Ready for frying. Okay, this is them that we rolled up, brushed with egg to keep them together. This is the finished product. They're delicious, crunchy on the outside, deliciously cheesy on the inside. I hope you enjoy these. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you.
Thank you.